3:33 p.m. When I opened the phone to make this video, I found a spot. I haven't done anything with it yet. Which comes to something very special I want to share. Something that I learned and I'm seeing more into. See, breaking these little sticks without even thinking about it. And it is precisely what I want to talk about. These impulses that we follow out of awareness. This thing is the difference from a mind that's using and a mind that is in love state, in connection. Or I don't know what kind of mind, but we're using the machines, we're using the resources from the earth, we're using the water. Of course, we're using each other, we're using our hearts, we're using ourselves. And it seems like part of a path, but it's a path that's taking us away from our humility. It's a path that's taking us away from connecting where we are. We're using the moment, this moment, we're using it for what? What I haven't come up with yet is what is this revealing about our behavior, and what is the difference between using and the other aspect of it that is not using. How does that manifest that? And I see love, I see the attachment, I see everything as a living being, seeing everything, even this cell phone, even this camera, even the internet, even this tree that's laying down after it's fallen, even that branch that I was breaking it, even an earthworm. When we see these things as alive, we become more respectful about how we interact with it. A lot more respectful, like a lot more respectful. And it's a respect that brings you at the same level as that thing, at the molecular level, like seeing each other as one part of this, seeing the part of that, seeing the part of this, seeing the part of that branch that I was breaking. Can we create anything without destroying it? Can we create anything without destroying something else? That would be the question. And what I've seen is that there is no perfection, and that is also a big sense of freedom, that there is no perfection. There is no perfection. That means that if we have that mentality of perfect and not perfect, then we're gonna see flaws in everything. In everything, we're gonna see a flaw. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. This is perfect. This is not perfect. And already in there, we stepped away from our own perfection, from the own mystery that this all is, and how we all play a part in it. And all I see is beauty. So I'm thinking of beauty and not perfection. I'm seeing the heart of this tree, the heart of all of these trees around me, the heart of this moss. So in humility, we remain all together. And when we make that a principle, something to remember, something to go deep into. How do we go into humility? Like this, putting yourself out there, like doing something that you might be afraid of, doing something that you're afraid of, putting yourself in that spot where nobody knows anything about you, so you don't have that power over the people that you are interacting with. Nobody knows anything about you, so you're left with only you and yourself. Nice big sense of humility. uh, there is no space for doubts. When we feel love, there is only forward and yes, like no doubting this thought is good, this thought is bad, this thought is good, this thought is bad, I'm gonna say this, I'm not gonna say this. The greatness of that message that you want to tap into inside of yourself, to feel that togetherness and that purpose of all of these videos